This is my 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer ES Factory 5-speed manual. Now, yes, it does look a bit effed up. I gotta admit it. I mean, it's pretty obvious. Look at that front there. As you can see, it looks like it got in a fight with a tornado 5 times at the very minimum and lost all 5 times. This car has been through wars. It looks like multiple wars. As a matter of fact, it might have been around in the floods from the back in the Bible days. Who knows? It's just had a very bad hair day and no one bothered to take it to the hairdresser to get it fixed.